When they give you this, they want you to find the rule of the mapping. The first thing to test whether it is a linear mapping. Until you test the numbers, the results, and see whether the difference are the same. So let's test. You subtract this from this, or you subtract this from, you test about 2. So 20 minus 9, that will give you what? 11, is that right? And then 31 minus 20, that will also give you 11. It means it's a linear mapping. You understand? So on the linear mapping, you have to, it is t, so it is f, the function of f of t is equal to 11. 11 stands for this, the gradient, 11t plus c. Moreover, you should know that the linear mapping is y is equal to mx plus c. But because you are using t, that's what I'm saying. M stands for the difference. So 11t plus c. I'm using t. So now you can pick any value of the t, the top tier, to substitute. So if t is equal to 1, then it's going to be, you put the value in it. The value, if you pick t is equal to 1, it means you are going to pick the coefficient, which is 9 is equal to 11 times the one that you are taking, which is what? 1 plus c. So that you can go, you are going to find c. So that's plus c. You are going to have 9 is equal to 11 plus c. So making c the subject, you are going to have c is equal to 9 minus 11. C is equal to what? Negative 2. You understand? So when you get negative 2, now you can write the rule of the mapping. So here the rule of the mapping, which is f t is equal to 11t plus c. So you are now going to have 11t, what is c, minus what? 2. That is the rule of the mapping. You understand? So ft is equal to 11t minus 2. You understand? So always make sure you first find the difference. After finding the difference, then you have to identify the difference is 11. The 11 stands for the m, or the gradient, or the difference stands for the m. So when you are substituting it into, you are going to have mx plus c. Now we are looking at t, which is ft is equal to 11t plus c. Whatever you see, and you put what? The 11 that you have there plus c. Then you are going to work for c. How do you work for c? You pick any of the, you can pick this one, you can even pick this one. So if you say let t is equal to 2, it means when you see it, you put the coefficient there. So if t is equal to 2, for example, if you are saying t is equal to 2, t is equal to 2, then it means you are now going to have, what is the coefficient? 20. So it's now going to be 20 is equal to 11 times 2 plus c. So then you have to have 20 is equal to 22 plus c. When you subtract, c is equal to what? 20 minus 22, and you are going to have c is equal to negative 2. The same thing. Then you now put it in the expression ft is equal to 11t minus 2. Don't go and work it again and say that you are finding t. You are just going to, after getting the c, you are going to put it in the general equation, which is what? This one. So you are just going to replace only the c into the expression. Then this is the rule of the map. That's what I wanted to do.